What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you a late vlog, day number 78 of 100 days of vlogging. You might be wondering, what's that? Just water. I just finished cleaning my face. And guys, welcome. As you can see, let me just quickly show you. I have quickly gotten everything packed in. My backpack is ready. You know how like people say just one carry on? Oh my god, I've taken that to a different level. I got one backpack full with everything, and that's all it. And I still need to put my charger in there. I still need to put my GoPro in there, so that's gonna be exciting. I'm ready for travel, day number 78 of 100 days of vlogging. But before I continue, I'm gonna quickly just grab some watermelon, some mangoes in between, and then I'll catch you guys tomorrow, day number 79. But today's vlog, day number 78, it's been all about packing, trying to fit everything in one small bag. That's a hustle. Catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, be kind to another. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Peace.